Hey guys, it's Ricardo, Ghost Pirate. This is another edition of the fishing spots here in Corpus Christi. We're going to be looking at Laguna Madre, but let me tell you, I don't get endorsed by um, these bait places. But let me tell you, these two spots here have the best bait: Red Dot on Humble channel and Trainer's Bait and Tackle. These are the best guys uh, to get your bait. They have all kinds of bait. They have shrimp. They have live bait, dead bait, live bait. Um, but because I used to live in Flower Bluff years back, and this spot here, right here, there's a uh, there's like a bunch of rocks here, and right in this spot here is a good area to wade fish. I've caught red and trouts right here. Here, um, not so good uh, to wade fish. Uh, Here it's kind of hard to wade fish because the boats come this way, so it's not a very good spot too because of the weights of the boats. But let me tell you, um, the 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 fishing piers here are the best. Uh, in Humboldt Channel. So when it's real cold in the drum run season, the best times to come over here and fish for the reds. Also on this side too. Um, but the best place that's not even on the map. Here it's okay. It's all right here. Um, but here you have to go further out in Fleur Bluff. It's called Peter Island. Um, it's okay. It's a good fishing spot right here. But like I said, as you get over here, it gets kind of deeper. So, but let me show you the map. I just use this map as a reference, like when I used to do tournaments. Uh, See the numbers? It tells you the depth of the water. So right there, right here. And of course, if you're hungry, you can go to that Land and Sea Marina. That's a good place to eat. Again, I don't get endorsed by these places, so. Um, and then there's a public boat ramps on this side of the um, JFK. But let me tell you guys, the places to fish it's not even on the map. Uh, the canals in these spots here and the entryways here. There's good reds in here, but the only thing about it is that there's a bunch of residentials here, and some people don't like that. For you to come in and fish, in their back porch, so to say. So you gotta be careful. Um, just try to fish um, there's some roads leading to residentials. There's some little cuts here where you can park and fish. But I would advise to unless you have permission. These canals are pretty good for redfish, but try to stick to the edge of the road. You can just park there and then just fish from there. Um, and of course, like I said, some residentials don't like that, so you got to be cautious of that too. So, but that's my special spot today is the canals at the island. Come you pass Corpus, Flower Bluff, the JFK, and then you come this way. all these canals are good spots for redfish. But like I said, they're residential, so you gotta take the good with the bad. So anyway, that's my fishing spots, guys, for today. So I'll be doing other fishing spots uh, for this way. So for now, if you can get permission, guys, to fish the back parts of these areas here, or you can just park on the side of the road. There's some spots on the side of the road right here, heading to the residential, where you can park and you can fish. So and be uh, uh, be kind to the neighbors, guys, at the island, because they do live there, and they so be careful, guys. Okay, thank you, bye.